Alrighty, folks, what we got here is a Bridgeport. It's got the 2J head on, 2 horsepower. It's a 9 by 48 inch table, and as you can see, this table is gorgeous. It's got it had originally the Bridgeport flaking on it, but if I'm going to sell a machine refurbished, boy, I sure hate to sell a machine that doesn't shine, and this table I couldn't get it to come in. It was beautiful. There's not a scratch on it. You look at the whole surface, there's no weld repairs. There's nothing on there that is bad. So it's a clean table. Underneath, you can still see the swirl marks where the original Bridgeport grinding was done. You look at these ways. Look at the pictures I've put on Facebook. They're pristine. I can't say enough about it. In fact, I'll come over and show it to you. They are just absolutely both sides without a scratch on either side. These ways are beautiful. That's all the way back. Table's all the way back. The ways are just absolutely gorgeous. So you're looking at a nice set of ways there. I'm going to move the table forward. We did go ahead and put a power feed on here. This is a Dynamo power feed. It's licensed by the servo. If you look on there, you can see a servo tag on it. Dynamo makes a decent, actually I consider it an outstanding power feed. They use a spiral bevel inside of here. So this brass is a spiral bevel, and that's a round thread or a round gear versus a square tooth bevel gear. The nice thing about that is if you've ever ran a servo and you crank the table, you're always going to hear that. You hear that because you got square teeth. These actually rotate into each other, so they rotate in going one way, rotate out going the other. They just make it very smooth gear. So when you hear this power feed running, it's quiet. And this power feed's got some cool features. The rapid's right in the middle here, or you can jog it. Okay, or you can put it in feed. So either or, and you can run this thing down low feed, and it runs nice and smooth. So I love this power feed. I've tried to get servo. They're located right here in Eastlake, Ohio. I tried to get them to go to the spiral bevel gear, and they've got so much stock in the production of the American-made power feed that they just don't want to switch over to spiral. So maybe someday they will. I look forward to that day. I love spiral bevel. Other than that, power feed's probably anything special. As far as the machine running, it just runs gorgeous. Here's 4,200 RPM. 4,200, you can see the power feed or the feed there running. There's 1,800. There's 500. Nice running unit. I'll go ahead and put her in low. Same thing, 500 or 60. 300. 500. So I'm going to put her back in high so I can show you the feed operating. As you can see, it runs super quiet, but the feed's got the quick nut on it, so you can adjust this anywhere you want it real quick, and then you can fine adjust like this. So, anyways, power feed. Everything on this machine has just been meticulously gone through. I've shown you pictures of the machine completely torn apart, so you can see that there's just nothing that wasn't looked at. It's got a brand new spindle cartridge assembly. That means brand new spindle, the collar alignment screw, brand new precision bearings on it, brand new spacers, nut, lock washer, everything's brand new on the spindle. Brand new gear bearings up at the top here, belts, brand new belts, brand new Screws X and Y both, brand new nuts X and Y both. It's got a brand new power feed, as we've already discussed. All of the oil restrictor fittings are brand new. The Bridgeport pump's been cleaned and put back together. The oiler, I oil these machines, or I recommend oiling these machines until you get oil coming out of both this side and this side, front, back, side. Let that oil flow. Once in a while, pump that thing until oil's coming out of everywhere. What that does is it cleans out all of the impurities that get caught on your waste. Cleans out everything. Wipe it down. You're not going to hurt this machine by over-oiling it. We don't take shortcuts. It's got the brand new speed handle on there, so you can put this handle anywhere you want on here without any trouble. So, if you got any questions, please call me at Lee's Machinery, 440-259-2222. If you need assistance with your machines, if you're working on a machine, you're out in, let's just say you're out in Oklahoma somewhere and you need help, you want advice, feel free to give me a call, 440-259-2222. I love to share what I have as knowledge. Of course, I want you to buy the machine. That's our objective here, to sell you a machine. But I want you to have a machine that you can brag to your friends about, and hopefully they'll buy the machine from you. So I'm going to conclude this video. Just everything about this machine is awesome. It's probably one of the best. I've said it's one of my 5 best in all the times I've been doing this. I've been doing this myself here at this location for 30 years. I worked for my dad since I was 12. You know, I went on one of my first jobs when I was 12 with my dad, changing Bridgeports from 220 to 440 that he had sold. So there's a lot of knowledge here between me and some of the other dealers across this country. We can help you out. Thank you.